Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Moto G85 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password pin or pattern. Okay, if we try to power it off, it will not power off. To power it off, press the volume down and power key together for a few seconds until the screen turn off. Press and hold it. And now delete and again press the volume down and power button together, and you can see. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see no command. Now press the volume down, press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. So now you are in Android recovery mode. So now here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see formatting data. Kindly wait. So you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Moto G85 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.